Here's a 2016 Ram 1500. With superior performance and legendary hauling and towing capacity, this Ram 1500 is the one tool that can master any job you throw at it. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, streaming audio, auto-dimming mirrors, air conditioning, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and power-heated mirrors. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.